Hey guys, my name is Max. It's really good to see you all again, and I hope you're all doing really well. This video is a lead on from my last video regarding the sound alerts extension that I spoke about in that video, so if you haven't already, go over and check it out. If you're a small Twitch streamer, it may help you out with some tips that might help to grow your channel like it did with mine. So yeah, if you haven't already, go and check it out. Also guys, I am a Twitch streamer, so if you want to check me out on Twitch, the link is in the box below. So yeah, go over, check me out. If you like what you see, drop a follow. Thank you very much. And yeah, this video is just about basically implementing the sound alerts extension into your Twitch so your viewers can interact with you that way. And just a tutorial on how to set it up for you guys that don't know how to do it. So let's just get straight into it, guys. Okay guys, so the first thing you're going to want to do is head over to your Twitch. Once you're on your Twitch, you want to go head over to your creator dashboard. Once you are there, you want to go to your extensions. On the right hand side, you'll see search all extensions box. Type in sound alerts and hit enter. The one you are looking for is this one right here. Okay, so once you got this, you want to click install, and then the next thing you want to do is go over to click on my extensions. Once you're here, you want to ensure that it's activated and set as a component or as a panel. It's up to you, your choice. Once you've done that, then you want to head over to soundalerts.com. Now guys, do not use Google Chrome for this. Google Chrome does not like this web page for some reason. It will log you out of sound alerts constantly. So use Edge or another browser and it worked perfectly fine. So you want to go to your dashboard and log in. Mine will automatically log in because I've already got it set up. As you can see, your name and that will appear up here. Then you want to come to settings. On settings, you want to go to setup. I'll use OBS Studio. Obviously, if you use Streamlabs XSplit on that, you want to use this one. But because we're doing this for OBS, we want to click on this. Use the copy and paste method, and then just click this button right here. This will copy it to your clipboard. Okay guys, so once you've copied it, you want to head over then to your OBS. You want to come down to the plus button on the sources. You want to add sources. You ketchup. Okay, you want to click the plus button on sources, and then you want to look for browser. Add the browser. I'm just going to call it sound alerts because that's what it is. Once you've done that, you want to delete the top O, and then what you want to do is you want to click paste, and then your URL should look something like this. Once you've done it, you can resize it however you want. I just tend to leave it and then move it around, and then I can resize it, and that's that bit all done. Then that is set up. To see if it's working, you can go back to the thing and click on play test alert, and as you can see, it works. Right, now to the point where you add the sound alerts yourself. On sound alerts, they have so many. So if you come to the library, here you can search for so many. So like I like Shrek, so then we can type Shrek, and then if you click on the play, you can preview it.
What are you doing in my swamp?
Simple as, right? Now say we wanted to add that, all you do is you'll click add this sound. Okay, here you can rename the sound to whatever you want. Whatever you name it here, it will look on your Twitch page when someone clicks it. Okay, now you can have the choice of putting it on the extension or use channel points. It's down to you how you want to do it. Channel points is obviously loyalty points that they gain from being in your channel, or you can set up it for free, or you can add a certain amount of bits depending on what you want to charge. Personally, I don't charge too much or anything at all. I have a jump scare which I charge 100 bits for because it's really loud and it does its job. It scares me. Okay, so it's up to you how you do that. So once you've added it, sound has been added. All you do is you'll come to your sounds. You'll find it in the list. Normally it'll go straight to the bottom if you've got loads already like I have. You want to click it. Oh no, yeah, click it up here. It shows. Now if it's really loud, you can adjust the volume here. So because that one was quite loud, we'll put it down to 50%. So yeah, once you click save, it'll be back it'll stay in the list, and it's done. That is set up. So then you just add as many sound alerts as you like. I think you can have 30 ones. I think you can have 5 for your channel points, 30 sounds in total. Okay. So yeah, you get 30 for the extension, 5 for the channel points. So yeah, go through the library. If you want to, you can upload your own sound if you have one. So obviously I've done this one, You Bet Your Sweet Bippy I did, from Ed, and Eddie, for you guys that remember that. So you can upload your own sounds there. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much all it takes. I tried to keep this video as short as possible. If you found this video super helpful, then please hit that like button. If you want to see future content from me, from my Twitch channel, gaming videos from my Twitch, highlights, more future tutorial videos, then drop a subscribe, hit that subscribe button. Don't drop a subscribe, just hit the subscribe button, guys. My English is all over the place at the minute. So yeah, guys, I will catch you next time, and thanks for watching, guys. Peace.